Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to dislike all liked reels on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile and then go to the menu icon on the top right. And once in there, just head over to your activity in how you use Instagram section and then go to the likes in the interaction section and then go to and here you will find all the reels you have liked. So select all content types and then just filter the reels you have liked through the account. So then tap on a reel and just click one by one and then you can unlike them. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.